Hey, car enthusiasts! Be ready to discover the amazing car lights that will upgrade your car to the next level. In today's video, we are listing down the car's lights too hard to miss out. But before moving ahead, give this video a thumbs up. Number 1. Rigid Reflect. Designed by US manufacturers as the market's first hybrid rearview mirror with auxiliary lights. Initially designed for buggies and ATVs, this innovation was adopted by off-road vehicle enthusiasts. The kit includes all required mounting hardware, capable of lighting up to 131 meters. Dual-sided LEDs assist turn indications, allowing independent adjustment for mirrors and lighting units. A pair of rigid reflectors comes for $695. Number 2. BMW Laserlight. When talking about headlights, BMW has its own version called Laserlights. These German-manufactured lights shine 1,000 times greater than many others when in high beam mode. These lights are integrated with advanced technology and brighten an area up to 600 meters. Laser light technology is more compact and consumes 30% less electricity than other headlight variants. Number 3. Morimoto XB LED Side Marker Lights. Specifically designed by the Morimoto team for the Jeeps, this innovation replaces the ventilation by inserting a lighting feature synchronizing with indicators. These headlights offer customization options with smoked side markers. These markers directly replace standard reflectors, blending seamlessly with the smoked polycarbonate of other internal diffusers. It is priced at $98. Number 4. Oracle Integrated Windshield Roof LED Light Bar System. LED panel designed by Oracle Lighting, specifically for the 2021 Ford Bronco, can combat darkness within a range of approximately 600 meters. This panel works alongside the daytime and parking lights. Encased in an IP68 protected polycarbonate covering, this lighting solution guarantees durability even in extreme weather conditions. Number 5. Lazer Grille Integration Kit. It is compatible with various vehicles and includes a set of TRIR 750 headlights with mounting brackets and wiring. The headlamps are resistant to UVA rays and various weather conditions, illuminating a distance of over 1.3 kilometers. It comes with a 5-year warranty, and the complete kit is available for $1,026. Number 6. Audi Matrix LED. Audi has introduced Smart Matrix LED headlights that dynamically adapt their light according to the road's curves even before you turn the steering wheel. These headlights gather information from the GPS, reducing eye strain by adjusting brightness levels. Each headlamp contains 25 high-beam LEDs, with 5 activated by a shared reflector. Audi Matrix LED headlights emit a distinctive, crystalline light, giving them an appealing and unique appearance, even in daylight. Number 7. DSERIES PROSE Fog White Pair. These LED fog lights are supported by a lifetime warranty. These lights feature a thermal management system enabling their effectiveness in temperatures ranging from 63 to -40 degrees Celsius. Enhancing their appeal, they're designed to maintain pressure balance, preventing any fogging up on top. They are equipped with protection against radio disturbances and electromagnetic interference and can run for an incredible 50,000 hours. You can purchase a pair of these lights for $412. Number 8. Mercedes-Benz Digital Light. Designed by Mercedes, these lights utilize intelligent sensors to respond to traffic variations, preventing drivers from driving the wrong way on a one-way street or bumping into the traffic. Moreover, they automatically engage high beams if the speed exceeds 40 kilometers per hour. Number 9. ARB Intensity Light Bar. ARB stands with its well-focused light that reduces driver fatigue and enhances road visibility. Their AR40 light panel is built robustly, capable of resisting immersion up to 3 meters while efficiently directing 93% of emitted diode light onto the road. ARB offers color customization by providing black, amber, and transparent protective covers. Each panel is priced at $662. Number 10. Starry Sky. Compatible with every car, this gadget can improve the nighttime driving experience with a celestial skylight illumination. You can create a delightful atmosphere inside your car with its amazing LED lights. It offers a range of color options along with a selection of stars, constellations, and captivating effects like falling comets. They are highly durable and save energy. Number 11. SOS Lab. The South Korean company SOS Lab specializes in LiDAR development and collaborates with industry giants like Hyundai. Among their projects is a groundbreaking implementation of LiDAR, light detection and ranging, technology without any moving components. During CES 2023, they presented a LiDAR system integrated into brake lights, projecting images to monitors. This system has an error margin of only 30 millimeters, scanning up to 25 times per second. Number 12 Morimoto Super 7. It is designed to fit with Jeep's factory connectors easily and features high-quality LED chips, aluminum radiators for effective cooling, and UV-coated polycarbonate lenses. It is highly durable and equipped with powerful MLED 2.0 projectors that deliver a wide and balanced beam pattern. Installation is easy as it comes with an easy plug-and-use setup. As we wrap, we would like to know which of these innovations you would add to your collection. Let us know in the comment section below. To get more updates from the world of auto tech, make sure to subscribe to our channel.